Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are running a Squarespace site in 2026, managing contributors properly is critical, whether you are working with writers, designers, assistants, or clients. So keep control of your sites, protect sensitive settings, let others help without chaos. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to manage contributors in Squarespace 2026 cleanly, securely, and like a pro. So first thing first, open contributor settings. So this is crucial. So first thing, log into Squarespace, go to settings, click permissions, okay, or search it on the search bar. Tap this, open contributors, okay. So this is the control center. Okay, so Squarespace offers predefined rules like administrator, website editor, content editor, blog editor, store manager, viewer. Okay, so always choose the lowest permission needed. So click invite contributor. Okay, um, enter their email address, select the appropriate role, send invite. So they must accept via email. Okay, so after acceptance, contributor appears in your list. Role is clearly labeled. Access is active immediately. No acceptance equals no access. So to modify access, open contributor, select the person, change their role, and then to simply click save. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.